గాంధీనగర్లో జరుగుతున్న వైబ్రెంట్ గుజరాత్లో ప్రధాని నరేంద్ర మోడీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
लोग मेहमान नवाजी में जरा अच्छे हो रहते हैं. I trust you will enjoy our hospitality. This is a time of kite festival in Gujarat. This festival gives us the message of high spirits. Do participate in it. Friends, after becoming Prime Minister, I have traveled to the remotest part of the India and also to various parts of the world. I have been to the UN, BRICS, ASEAN Summit, G20, SAARC summits. Some common worries have been expressed everywhere. The biggest concern is about the global economy. We all have to find the ways for stability and recovery. We also have to work for sustainable and inclusive growth. We in India believe that problems present us with opportunities to become stronger, disciplined, and innovative. My government is trying to generate confidence. We have prepared a team to secure a robust future. We believe that changes start with a change in mindset. Friends, it is a matter of great place that today there is a tremendous interest in India. और मैंने देखा है दुनिया में जहां गया जिसे मिला चारों तरफ भारत के प्रति रुचि, भारत के प्रति आकर्षण, भारत के प्रति गौरव का भाव ये मैं अनुभव कर रहा हूं. और मैं मानता हूं कि ये अपने आप में ये एक हमारी बहुत बड़ी ताकत है. Countries are coming forward to work with us. This has, of course, generated expectations from India. India's present as well as its rich past is being recognized. I thank the UN Secretary General for giving a formal international stature to yoga. A record number of 177 countries supported the Indian proposal. Yoga is both a science and art for improving human life. In today's world, it teaches us to remain stable even in adverse situations. Friends, the 2009 edition of this event created vibrancy when the state of the global economy was depressing. The summits of 2011 and 2013 succeeded in strengthening investors' confidence. It is only because of persistence with positivity that this event of Gujarat government has become an event for the entire country. This platform has been enlarged so that other states too can take advantage. Today, many other states have adopted this approach. और मैंने पिछले दिनों देखा मध्य प्रदेश हो, पश्चिम बंगाल हो, सभी राज्य अपने अपने तरीके से एक सकारात्मक भूमिका निभाते हुए प्रयास कर रहे हैं. The government of India is committed to support such initiatives by any state government. Friends, we will have to change the way we have been approaching problems. Recession is often seen just in the context of business and industry. Have we ever thought of recession as being the result of low per capita income in countries where a majority of the global population lives? Have we ever thought of its solution in terms of enhancing the common man's employability, income, and purchasing power? This is the biggest task at hand in India. Mahatma Gandhi rightly talked about the last man. वो दरिद्र नारायण की बात करते थे. And Gandhiji's message can show us the way. It is therefore appropriate that this summit is taking place in Mahatma Mandir. An excellent multimedia exhibition on the life of the Mahatma has been set up in Dandi Kutir. It's very hardly 3 minutes walk. It portrays the life journey of Gandhiji in brief. In addition, just a few steps away from the venue, there is a world-class mega exhibition which showcases products and service by leading companies from India and abroad. और मैं आप सबसे आग्रह करूंगा कि कितनी ही व्यस्तता क्यों न हो, लेकिन इसी कैंपस में दांडी कुटीर में मल्टीमीडिया टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग करते हुए महात्मा गांधी का जो प्रदर्शनी बनाई है, आप उसे जरूर देखिए. और पास में ही इतना बड़ा एग्जीबिशन शायद हमारे देश में कभी होता नहीं है. एक प्रकार का यूनिक ट्रेड फेयर है. मैं चाहूंगा कि आप जरूर उसकी मुलाकात लें. आई एम श्योर यू विल नॉट मिस द चांस टू सी दिस magnificent exhibitions. To me, the best outcome of this event should be inclusiveness and involvement of communities, needing care and development. Thus, this event stands for inclusiveness of small with big, inclusiveness of poor with rich, inclusiveness of gut feelings with mature thoughts. I assure this global platform that India wants to work with the global leadership, be the issues of poverty or ecology. We want to contribute to welfare of the global community. We are aware that with 1/6 of the world's population, our activities will have a global impact. We are ready to learn and make this impact positive.